Good afternoon, croeso i Canolfan Millennium Cymru. I'm going to have to do this, aren't I? Welcome to the Wales Millennium Centre. We're from Cardiff Music Development Team, and we are so excited to have 3 Cardiff schools here today to sing for you in our lovely, informal, fun Christmas Rocks concert. Can we have a big round of applause, first of all, for Baden Powell Primary? The only primary school in Cardiff with a chicken called Kevin. Can we have a big round of applause, please, for our friends from Glencoyd Primary? Yay! Marvellous. And last but not least, we have a big crowd in Bequarian from Cabalva Primary School. You're very welcome, Cabalva. We're going to be performing lots of different songs. If there's something you know, please feel free to join in. We're not uptight about these things. We're all here to have fun and enjoy ourselves. We're going to start off as a band, just performing for you to get things going. We're going to do Merry Christmas Everyone by Shakin' Stevens. Thank you very much. Say when?
The snow is falling all around me. Children playing, having fun. It's the season, love and understanding. Merry Christmas, everyone. Time for parties and celebration. People dancing all night long. Time for presents and exchanging kisses. Time for singing Christmas songs. We're gonna have a party tonight. I'm gonna find that girl underneath the mistletoe, or kissed by candlelight. Room is swaying, records playing, all the old songs we love to hear. All I wish that every day was Christmas. What a nice way to spend the year. We're gonna have a party tonight. I'm gonna find that girl underneath the mistletoe, or kissed by candlelight. Snow is falling all around me. Children playing, having fun. There's the season, love and understanding. Merry Christmas, everyone. Merry Christmas, everyone. Merry Christmas, everyone. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. It's time to invite the real stars of today up onto stage. Could we first of all have Baden Powell Primary Choir, conducted by Mr. Kyle Jones? think we're all in place. This is year 3 and 4 from Baden-Powell Primary. Year 3, is this just year 3? My goodness me, a year 3 choir that size, that's amazing. Now, the children helped to choose these, didn't they, Mr. Jones? The children helped to choose these, didn't they? We're going to start off, I think, I'll just get my music note here, with a well-known Christmas classic, Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows. All of the other reindeers used to laugh and call him names. They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer games. Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, I hope to guide my sleigh tonight. Then all the reindeers loved him, and they shouted out with glee, Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you'll go down in history. You'll go down in history. You'll go down in history.
Well done. We're going to take a trip to Motown now for Santa Claus is Coming to Town. Yep.
You better watch out. You better not cry. You better not laugh. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus coming to town. Santa Claus coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. He's making a list, checking it twice. He's got to find out who's running all night. Santa Claus coming to town. Santa Claus coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. He sees you when you're sleeping. He knows when you're awake. He knows if you've been bad or good. So be good for goodness sake. Hey, you better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus coming to town. Santa Claus coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is
Okay, thank you very much. And the last one they're going to sing isn't really Christmassy at all, but they love it so much that we decided it would be a bit of fun. This is called, will we tell them what it's called, or we wait till people figure it out? We'll let you figure it out.
Dog goes work, cat goes meow, bird goes tweet, and
Thank you very much. That's Baden Powell Primary School. Take a big bow, children. Well done. Time for some removal now. Well done. My goodness, you were organised getting off stage. Really pleased to announce the next group up are from Glencoyd Primary, and they've just had a new choir project put in, and everybody in this school is now singing and really singing. So we're very excited, and we're really looking forward to hearing you. Can we have a big round of applause for Glencoyd Primary, please? I think we're ready to start. I think there are some spectacular hats going on here. Well done, children. Absolutely brilliant. Okay, Mr. Jones, are we ready for Frosty the Snowman? Would that be a good one to start with? Okay. Introduction? Thank you very much. It's another favourite of mine. A lovely carol called Winter Wonderland. Okay. And the last song that Glencoyd Primary are going to sing, everybody knows this one, so please join in. Full rock voices for Merry Christmas, everybody.
Red nose,
very proud of Glencoy Primary. Take a bow. Brilliant. Thank you so much. We have a third school here, and they're raring to go. Can we welcome on stage, please, Gabalva Primary School? I would just play something, but I'm trying to find my music. Thank you. Perfectly timed. Last Christmas. So, this is Gabalva Primary School, and the first thing they're going to sing a real classic. It's on the radio all the time at the minute, and this is called Last Christmas.
This year, to save me from
Primary, we've got another song for you now. They're going to sing Rockin' Around the Christmas Tree. Thank you very, very much, Cardiff Primary. You should be very, very proud of that performance. If you'd like to go back down now, I've got some thank yous to do.
Very quickly, ladies and gentlemen, we're just going to introduce the band and some of the members of MDC that have been working in the school. So we have on piano and vocals over there, hostess with the mostess, Mrs. Emma Coulthard.
Thank you.
On bass guitar, we have the very fantastic Jamie Sefton. On drums this afternoon, and it's his birthday today, everybody, Mr. Julian Dixon. And my name's James, and I get to stand at the front because nobody else wants to. But yes, thank you.
Thank you, sir. And, there's one person who isn't up here who should be here. Where's Mr. Jones?
Where is Mr. Jones?
Where is Mr. Jones? Mr. Jones is back. Can we have Mr. Jones? Mr. Jones is also bass player, oboist, saxophonist, and now choral conductor. Thank you very much. This is the bit where I get to say thank you to everybody. We've still got 2 more songs that we'll do all together just for fun. But I think the schools have worked so hard. Some of them we've been helping with Gabalva. They did that by themselves. That was absolutely brilliant. And I'd like the teachers to nominate one person from each school to come and get a lovely, shiny, laminated, no expense spared certificate to give on the school wall. Can we have a representative, please, from Baden Powell Primary, please? Come and get your certificates. Well done, Baden Powell. And can we have somebody, please, from Glencoy Primary School? Can we have somebody from Gaval for primary school, please? Who've we got? I would like to thank two more sets of people. The teachers, it requires some organisation to get down here. We know that. We know you have to send notes home and lunches and toilets, and it's not just the children just turning up. So thank you very much for bringing the children down. We do appreciate it. Also, it's really lovely to see so many parents to take time out to come down and see your children. We hope you enjoyed it. They were absolutely brilliant. So thank you, parents. Children, clap your parents. And the other person we've really got to thank is Hedwin. Now, Hedwin walks around with his iPad, but he's controlling all the sound system here, and he comes every time we do a concert and does a superb job. So thank you to Hedwin. Right, I think we should finish with another rousing chorus of the Slade one, Merry Christmas, Everybody. Now, is Mr. Harris going to do the full Metal Jack with this one this time? He should do the bit that goes, it's Christmas, didn't he? We'll make him do that bit. Yeah, turn your guitar up. So we'll do one last performance of Merry Christmas Everybody by Slade. Where's Mr. Jones? Should be somewhere here, not hiding.
Come on, Mr.
Come on, Mr. Jones. You can go back down. You can conduct the choir. Oh, there's some shakers down there.
You are conductor, Mr. Jones.
It's not true that you can't have too many bass players. Okay, just I've got to find the old dots here.
So you're really going to need to help me on this, because it's rather high for me. It's great for you, so if you help me out.
Oh, it's because he's an adult, it's a bit high for him. Give him an ah.
It's a bit high.
So you're going to help? Really loud? Okay. Yeah.
Are you hanging out your stockings on the wall? Is it time for every Santa has its call? Does he ride a red-nosed reindeer? Does he turn upon its sleigh? Do the fairies keep us over for the day? So here it is, Merry Christmas, everybody's having fun. Look to the future now, it's only just begun. Are you waiting for the family to arrive? Are you sure you got the room to spare inside? Does your granny always tell you that the concerts are the best? Then she's old up and she rocking with the rest. So here it is, Merry Christmas, everybody's having fun. Look to the future now, it's only just begun. What will your daddy do when he sees your mommy it's only just begun.
Thank you very much. Have a lovely Christmas.
Thank you.
We wish you a Merry good time. So bring us some figgy pudding. Bring us some figgy pudding. Bring us some figgy pudding. And bring some good tidings we bring to you and your king. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And we won't go until we've got some.
Won't go until we get some. Won't go until we get some. So bring some right here. Good tidings we bring for you and your king. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy